Hello guys, today I will show you how to draw demand supply graph on Excel and auto equilibrium point. So what you're gonna do, go ahead into Excel and use a new blank page. You have to enter the data for the demand supply and the price, which is because demand supply schedule. Let's say the price start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At 0 the demand is, let's say, 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 3,000. What else? And for the supply, of course, for 0 price, there's 0 supply. 1,000 supply, 2,000 and 2,000. 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So since we have the demand supply schedule, we're gonna insert a graph on it. You can choose any of these, but I just prefer this one. And when you first click on the graph, see like the x-axis and the y-axis is not correct. So what you want to do is right click on it and go to select data and just remove these two and just add new data by clicking at right demand. Our demand is x-axis is quantity and y-axis is the price, and there your demand curve. So we need to add supply purpose, just write supply. The quantity of supply is x-axis and the price of the supply is y-axis. And there we have our demand and supply curve. If you want to add more things, like maybe you can like add more elements into your graph, you can click axis, add axis title. So here you can just write price, and this one just write quantity or anything you want, quantity, and yeah, that's it. And one more thing, if you want to add your equilibrium point to indicate where the equilibrium is, you can just go ahead and click, first just write all the data for the equilibrium. So our equilibrium right now is 3003, which will start from here, go here and add here. So first of all, we have to write the data for the point. At x0, y is 3. At x 3000, y is also 3. And lastly, this final point is y is 0 and x is 3000. Now go ahead and do the same thing. Right click, go select data and add data. Let's write this equilibrium point. Do the same thing, the value for the x-axis and the y-axis, and there you have your equilibrium like indicator line. And if you want to design more stuff, you can add a chart title, other things, and that's it. It is as simple as that. Yeah, thank you for watching my tutorial.